Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Girl got cookies, girl got me out of day. I tried to make 4 million in 6 months until I robbed the bank. I robbed the bank. I probably got cheaper. Tell them if it's hey,
what that is? What that is?
That's that rich homie.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Rich homie. That's that rich homie.
What that is in your car, though?
Hey, don't worry about what that is in my car.
Man, I step off in the club with my mug on me.
You hear it? You don't need to know what's in the car. That part, my man, drink. Yeah, you don't need to know what's in the car. That part. Soft stuff. Said it, man.
He said it. You don't know that.
What? Wait, what they doing?
We for grills, double G, everything. Glee.
Hey, he would have posted that shit on his YouTube.
Hey, watch out, man. You see the other too much videos. You taking too much videos.
What it do? No.
You taking too much videos. You taking too much videos.
Rich homie.
You got the droid.
Whoa, that's the seat. Whoa, that's the Cadillac. Whoa. Yeah, he do edit good though. He do edit good though.
What's
He
it
do
use?
edit good though.
No.
Yeah. Back at it. Ooh. What you gotta say?
Get the fuck up.
You keep my name out your mouth.
We be back. We finna go check out these cars.
We gotta go down there.
Hey, watch out for the cars down there.
Ooh, marshmallow. Oh, look at this bit. That big K. Hey, get out the road.
You know what he got on that bitch. You know what he got on that bitch.
Hey, bro, somebody with a fucking beamer on drag tires coming in this bitch.
For real? All right, I'm finna catch y'all when we get to the cars down there. Jet, fuck your camera, Jet. I look away and shit. All right. Let him go forward.
Let him go, let him go, let him go, let him go.
Well, that bitch got the drag.
Oh. Hey, I wonder where they going.
That's where I have out. Let them go, let them go.
No, it's the truck.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
People that said shut up.
Oh, for real?
Ain't it? Yeah.
We got them. Oh, yeah. Tell her two-step that bitch.
That shit.
Hey, his license plate say inmate. His license plate say inmate.
Damn, this is the guy lit. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Two-step that bitch. Got the GTR. Hey, look at it got carbon fiber bucket seats. Look, Corvette. I can't really see that good.
What's over there?
Oh, if we go down
You know
there,
what's over there?
yes. All right, we're finna go to this little secret little shit, this little hiding spot. Man, they look bad as fuck. All right, we finna be back real quick. A little break. Finna catch y'all real quick. All right, we'll be back. Look, they got the Mazda. That bit like it's K. Oh no, it's 2JZ. Oh look, they got flames coming out that bit. Hey, come on, get the GoPro. What? Oh, that bit tough. Yeah, that's what me and Tete was up here.
Look at that one.
I know. Yeah. B18 turbo. I know he tunes the cars. Look, that's J series. Yeah. Look at all these cars. What they finna do? They need a race, but. Look, bro. See what I'm talking about, bro?
Jalen started falling.
Who, Jalen?
Yeah, she started falling on the rocks. We dropped this phone and shit.
Yeah, Jermaine had his Honda out here, boy. All these motorcycles, about to steal me one. We finna walk back. With fat.
Why you?
Why you recording me?
Without my consent, bro.
This bit tough.
I knew that.
Oh my God. He was already over here. Finna get some more clips of these cars.
Word, that behind you. No, hey, that over there.
Hell yeah. Two-step this bit. Diesel step. Diesel step this bit. What the? Oh look, the Suron.
Hey, what you call the car? Oh, that's him?
Yeah. What the fuck? Oh no, it's him right there. Didn't need to. What? Damn, what the fuck? Shit made me hard. Oh my God. What?
Come on. Finna go in the two-step.
Alright.
We ain't gonna have some two-step play. Let's walk on the side. I know they ain't gonna do it around here.
Hell yeah. This gonna be like, I'm trying to make this video longer. My last video was like 4 minutes long. Go in the back. Y'all they doing the burnouts. Why is every time when we leave, it's always something?
Just chill over here on the rocks and shit and then wait. We gotta stand like right there.
Oh yeah.
And we'll see all the cars. Two-step's going crazy.
What? I'm trying to get some two-step vids. Hey, two-step that bit. I'm gonna edit this vid. You seen the last one?
Already know it. What? This nigga back.
You got your rapist, homo, thug, blackballs over there.
Hey, bro, I lost my phone, bro.
We finna go jet to your
My black
right now.
phone, bro. Where my black phone at, bro? The fuck? I lost my shit.
Jit throwing up gang signs, I don't even know what they is.
That mean 666, nigga. That's what the fuck that mean. Yeah, you got it?
No, we gonna go check.
Man, on my phone at, bro.
We finna go check. Shut your ass up, bro. Shut your ass up.
I got another one, though. It's alright.
Hey. We don't condone no smoking. Okay. Look, they right there. You wanna go over there real quick?
With the heliante, with the helion.
Yes, sir. Hey, what's in it?
JDMD 15B.
Okay, let's see.
He fucking burned your whole arm off with that shit. How the fuck did it make your arm?
Again. Come on, two-step. Just fuck ass.
I'm coming.
Hey, watch out. This fuck ass bitch ass.
Might go back down here.
Bro, they not finna do a pull.